The easiest way to access Avira Connect is from the device where your Avira product is installed. Click the Avira icon in the system tray and then click the button with your name in the Avira panel, and you will be redirected to the account without having to input email address or password. The main page displays the digital health of your device, divided into security, privacy, and performance. A weak digital health can be improved by clicking the Improve Now button. This will install all the required free Avira protection features. The general features and services are located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. With one click on a feature, you can check all your registered devices, install free apps, or manage all your Avira subscriptions. You can also access Family Locator that locates your misplaced mobile phone. To update your account settings, hover your cursor over the small arrow next to your name and click My Account. In the Profile tab, you can update your profile picture, your account details, or change the language. The Security tab allows you to change your email address and your password, and you can set up a two-step verification for your account. In the Billing tab, you can update your payment details, and under Notifications, you can configure the Avira email notifications you want to receive. In the Data and Settings tab, you can request a report of the data we collect about you. Here you can also delete your account.